What's up YouTube? Starnes Arcade 23 here, back to you guys with another sneaker video. I know I do not put these out as much as I should, but I've been busy on my main channel, you know, I gotta keep that up. This is just my sneaker channel. I don't really buy shoes like that anymore because, you know, I got other stuff I gotta pay for, like building stuff. But I got some sneakers today. I wasn't expecting this today, I was expecting this to come tomorrow. I'm happy, dude, because like, let's just say I'm a hype beast. I'm a hype beast now. Let's get into it. Hold on, wait, guys. Let me go get something. I hope it didn't go out of focus, but if it did, oh well. Let's get into it. You guys know what time it is, man. Are y'all ready? Because I'm not. Look at these, man. Look at these. I just want to say shout out to We Are Kicksdaily for always hooking me up with the steals. They always hook me up with the steals. Here go a quick 360. Boom. Boom. But yeah, man, thank you. We Are Kicksdaily. Go check out the website. They always have a whole bunch of steals, deals. Even comes with the 3M lace swap. Like I'm happy with what I got, you know. They are used. They were only worn once. I got them for $200. That's crazy. I'm happy with what I got. That's all I can say, man. Hey. This has been Starnes Arcade 23. I'm out. If you trip, have a nice fall. Review on these or an on foot will be later, you know. All right, peace.